selling it. Whoever's buying, whoever's selling it, they selling it.
Okay.
Of course, they ain't no new game coming out.
All right. Once again, a truth, the gamer, Randy TV. He already did a room tour, but I'll do a room tour anyway. Well, I'm so glad you still have your old room tour, you know. Because I remember in 2012, you filmed a video, you deleted all your damn videos. That was stupid. Yep. You playing Super Mario Brothers 3, the Super Nintendo. Where the Super Nintendo at?
Super Mario.
Huh?
The what?
Where the Super Nintendo?
Yeah.
Well, how you playing it?
It's easy breezy lemon squeezy.
Oh, man, how can you play it on Xbox One? You have it on Xbox One. Wow, genius. Ain't that something? Genius.
Mario Kart 64.